Hi folks, how we all doing? First time out for a while. Bike's been in, getting a warranty job done on it. Half of the man flew. So, it's good to get out. Right now I'm on the Stockiemuir road. Heading out towards Kerbeth. Which used to be a biker spot at the Kerbeth Inn, but it was sold or closed down or something. Don't really have a plan for today, but we'll just see where the road takes us. I think actually the last time I was out was when myself, John Diehard McLean and Peaky rode up to Oban. I'm sure that was the last time. During that trip I noticed there was a slight oil drip coming from the bike when you had parked up, so I took it to the Suzuki dealers and yep, they had to order some parts and they got that fixed. Oh, there's a wee bike in front of me. This is where the Kerbeth Inn used to be. That was the Kerbeth Inn in there. Half of it's been pulled down. Just coming up to, well, they call it the Queen's View. At the very top of the Queen's View there's a rock formation which locally is called the Hwangi. Up there. Look at that, spectacular. And the Hwangi, as legend is told, was created by the devil, or his tail. He was late for a meeting with the witches, and in his anger his tail thrashed the rocks and created the Hwangi. Whether that's true or not, who knows? Down here is an area where, have you ever watched the TV series Outlander? No, it's not here, it's the next bit. Have you ever watched the series Outlander? I think it was season 1. There was an area that went down to, I think they called it the Waters of Truth or something like that. Well, it's down here. Locally it's called the Devil's Pulpit. And after it was on the series of Outlander, all these yellow lines and everything's all been put in because everybody was visiting it. And it was a little known area before Outlander. There's some people there going down to it. So the Duke's Pass, what is that? Jeez, oh, made an arse of that. The Duke's Pass was, well, a pass from one side of the hills to the other that the Duke of Argyll commissioned to get made so that his troops or taxmen or something could get around easier. And that's why it's called the Duke's Pass. for cyclists. Whoa. Big bus. That's Ben Ann, that peak straight ahead. Ann as an A-A-N for some reason. Probably Scots Gaelic. Looks like a good spot.